Right now, we're seeing a film sentiment score of plus 0.44 with zero momentum over the last 24 hours. What's striking here is that sentiment is holding steady, even while momentum remains flat. This suggests that while the excitement might not be growing, the positive outlook from viewers is solidifying. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including insights from 20 semantic clusters, helping you understand the nuances behind viewers' feelings. Imagine you're developing a recommendation system for a streaming service. You can leverage this sentiment data to highlight films that are currently resonating well with audiences, even if the buzz isn't escalating. To dive deeper into these insights, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.